Another geo primitives is worseland. I skip this because this isn't for about texture. I have to explain something to you. But the shiny waves, if you bring it that, and it has lots of setting for here, just for amplitude, and as you can see, it's a simple bump. The main purpose of that is add a reflection to the surface of the lake water, but I have to explain it later. In this lesson, I want to explain worse land. It's a bad land. Let's create something like this. It has a simple setting if you want to large structure, large rock, or a small. The noise, you can change the noise scale actually. So you can change the structure if you want, make it bigger. Here you can change the overall scale. You can increase or decrease overall scale here. If you want to more complex and more detailed, you can increase or decrease that. The height of the overall train, you can change it. If you need more chaos and more random rock or noise, you can change the chaos if you want. If you need more chaos, and it's of course a seat. You can change it or click on here to randomize the seat, randomize the train. It's create a random train for you based on your setting. Okay, this is worseland. Simple.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.